Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Hey guys, it's that time of year again where we're using throws. We just picked this little throw rack up. It will actually hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different throws, and you can even hold more than that because there's a lot of room in between. You can even double this thing up. Easy to assemble. My daughter assembled it for me in a matter of seconds. Got it put together, sets up against the wall. One thing I'm going to point out, if you're on a wooden floor though, you might want to put something in front of it to block it into place, or maybe add some attachments if you want to attach it on the wall. I'm still under construction here and my little entryway is not finished out all the way yet. So I don't want to attach this to the wall permanent, but works extremely well. You don't have to use this just at Christmas time. You don't even have to use this just at the winter time. This can stay up all year because you never know. Even in the summer, you may get a little chilly and you may want a blanket. This is fantastic, looks great, and keeps everything organized. If I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it's extremely quick and easy to put together and looks great. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we'll see you on the next one.